Tara Bober. I teach at East Linden Elementary School and I teach 3rd grade.
My name is Amy Brown and I teach at Cranbrook Elementary School. I teach 3rd grade, all of the reading and language arts.
My name is Megan Adair and I teach at Cranbrook Elementary School in Columbus and I teach 3rd grade this year.
I heard about ChickQuest when I got hired by the district this year. I got an email right away and knew instantly that I wanted to attend.
I didn't realize how integrated the whole program was going to be.
Yeah, our curriculum, this is just matched beautifully to the life cycles, objectives and standards. And not only that, but going through the student logbook, it's just going to integrate so nicely with my teammates' reading work and research work and things like that. So I think it's going to be really helpful.
I think I'll probably use a lot. So far what we've gone through, I'll probably use all the lessons. We'll do research science and the different opportunities and professions that the kids can have with that. We'll hatch the chicks, we'll talk about the life cycle. There's just so many uses that I can use in my classroom.
Absolutely relevant to what we're doing, yes. And it's also easy enough that we can, I'm planning to use it in my reading groups so that I can teach small groups of students so that I can see what their needs are and if they're having trouble with understanding the material, that I'm working with a small group of students so that it's helpful for them to comprehend and be more aware of the life cycle of the chicken so that when they're watching them, that they'll be more excited about it because they're going to be understanding it, so yes.
I felt like the excitement when we passed around the jar of eggs that had been soaked in vinegar. I just thought about how excited the kids would be to see that in our classroom. So it was very exciting. And then of course seeing the chicks, the actual chicks in the room, that's pretty cool too. So just anticipating their excitement, it's pretty neat.
I'd like to tell them thank you very much for providing this opportunity for me and for all of the teachers in Ohio. I think it's awesome and I couldn't be happier to be here.
I want to say thank you. Thank you for everything you do to help bring this information and these resources to children, because it's just super important for them to have this awareness, and even for me as a teacher to have the awareness, because our life is changing and everything is so computer driven and technology, and everything is so fast paced and at their hands, and to have the real life, not just like seeing a farm or seeing chickens or seeing soybeans on a video, but like to actually be involved in it is going to be really cool. So thank you very much.
I would just say thank you so much. We have a classroom full of kids that really know nothing about this, and the hands-on activities and just this whole experience is going to be so exciting for them, and they're going to love coming to school even more. So thank you.